Alright guys, check this out. I went to M&M Meats because they were on sale. So they had this rib style pork cutlets, and if you look at it, it looks like McDonald's. Not McDonald's, but like their rib sandwich sort of thing. So this was on sale, that's the only reason I picked it up. And we're gonna do a quick taste test. So this is what it looks like. They're actually really small. So I'm gonna cook one in the air fryer to give you guys a good idea. Here's the back. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. There is the ingredients, I believe, down there. So it's not too bad. Alright, so let's cook this up and do a quick taste test. I'll be back. Here it is. As you can see, I cooked it up in the air fryer, and we're gonna do a quick taste test. So let's take a bite out of it. Well, actually, can't really cut it. Take a quick bite of this. So, flavor-wise, it is tender. It is juicy. Taste. There's no real lot of seasoning or any. And it's got a little bit of salt, but there's no real spices or anything like that. So you definitely do need your sauces to go on top, and it would make a good sandwich. I can see why, because it is juicy. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.